Okay, so let's do a little profiling here and see how this goes. I am going to have the everything go on automatic and see what kind of noise we can make here. Let's get this foot pedal into place. And I got current going. I'm just going to do light profiling on the portholes. Then after, trying to figure out the best way to do this. This is profiling. I think I've got a decent shot here of what I'm doing. Unfortunately, the camera's not quite high enough. Let me do this. If I turn, try it this way. Try to do this as efficiently as possible. I'm just trying to do a gentle break. Of the edge. You know, I have another magnifying glass that has a light, and I may mount it to this table so I can bring it down. It's a lot longer. In the neck. Yeah, I mean, I definitely have to. Wait a second. That looks. Did I do these already? Wow. I might have actually already did these, but always good to get a little bit bigger break. Do it a very light touch. So I have a foot pedal down below here that will activate my rotary tool, and also it's connected to a switch that activates my vacuum system, which then I move this one here, so it gives me enough air current to get the dust out of the way, which makes things much nicer. Let me see here. You know something? Nah. Well, I see it inside. Looks like I did it a little bit already. So, all right, let's do another one here. I think I did them when I was doing my top part of the arc, because I had the tear outs of the portholes. And I do this, again, for the little kids. Just helps with the smoothness. You don't have to worry about things chipping off and giving splinters. I do it inside and outside. All right. Ah, a lot of vibration. I think what I may do, I had one here somewhere. Oh, that That was my mic pack that you heard. I didn't unplug it from the power, but where is it? Yeah, I do have some. So I've got to be careful how I do this. And actually, let me get a skizzer. I have my big skizzer here. I used to collect swords, samurai swords. So, there we go. So, I have that hole there, which is used to, oh, this may not work. Let's see, I'm going to try and get it tight. Okay. Yeah, that may not work. So, I'm going to have to do it this way. Actually, that's really where I hold it. So, I'm going to do a couple more, because that's where I hold it. What I'm trying to do is eliminate some of the vibration by putting this medical tape on. Oh man, that's not cutting. Okay, so I hold it like that. I may put some more on the back here, but if I slide this forward, that clears the hole. Because when I want to change bits, I put that in there that stops it from turning, and I can just do it by hand. So, let's do this. Let's go further back away from the hole. And, oh, I didn't go very far back from the hole. But I can just scooch it. So we'll see how this works in terms of cutting down some of that vibration. So I originally got this tape for when I got my carving tools. Yeah, so I've got that cleared there. And let's see. So my carving chisels, I put these on so that I could have a little bit softer grip. Let's see how that feels. Yeah, that gets rid of a lot of the vibration. That's good. All right, let me hang this up. And we are going to move over to the drill press. And yeah, I should move the, I'm going to move the vent for that. So let's do this. Let's end this video here, and then we'll have a part deuce. Back in a bit.